Okay, a lot of people seem to be wondering how to do a problem like this, so I'm going to just do this one, send it out to you. It's easier to do it by video than try to type it out by hand. So the first thing you have to do is type in all of these numbers in Excel. Okay, 0, 8 times, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? 2, 10 times. 1, 2, and so on, blah, 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 8, 9, 10, okay? 3, 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 5, 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? Total of 43, total of 43, all right? There might be another way to do that. I don't know if so it doesn't take that long. Honestly, I know it looks like it's a monster task, but it really isn't. So the mean, and I typed these all ahead of time too to save time. More function, statistical, average is how you do mean. And then you just highlight all the data, okay? 1 through, all the way through 43, hit okay. Average, 2.2, okay, 2.2. The median, you do the same thing. You go formulas, more function, statistical. You go to median. And again, you highlight all the data. And when you highlight all the data, you get 2, okay? 2. Sample standard deviation, formulas, more function, statistical. STDEV.S. This is for population, this is for sample. They're different, so make sure you hit this .S for sample. Standard deviation .sample, highlight them all, and enter, voila, 3.6, oop, oh, what did I do wrong? Where'd it go? Oh, never mind. I see what I did wrong, just ignore that for a second. I didn't change cells, just don't do what I did. Make sure you go down to another cell. You can't do the same formulas in other cells. It'll just add it to it. So learn from my mistake. Okay, always go to a different cell, even if you don't have them labeled out. You always have to go to different cells to calculate these different things, okay? I did not do that. That's why that happened. So sample standard deviation. Again, more function, statistical, stdev.s. And voila. Okay, 1.6, there you go. First quartile, do more function, statistical, do quartile, use .exe, don't use .inc, use .exe, quartile.exe. You hit that, and then hit, this one you have to go back and you have to also have the one for first quartile, okay? Okay, first quartile Q1 is 1. Q3, you do the same exact thing, except you put 3 in that other spot. Statistical, quartile.exe. Again, highlight all the array, highlight all the data. And this time put 3. Okay, all right. At least 3. So that means 3 or more. Well, how many had at least 3? So 3 means 3 or more. So 6 plus 4, which I mean 6 plus 5. So there were 17 people, okay, with at least 3. All right. So 17 divided by 43, 17 divided by 43 is 0.395 on your calculator. And 0.395 is a percentage, is 39.5%, okay? All right, 39.5%. Fewer than 38%. Well, this is a little tricky. So the first thing you want to do is calculate 38% of 43. So if you put 0.38 times 43, you get 16.34. So basically 16. You just kind of, 16 3-point really is the same thing as 16. Then you go count 8, 16, okay? All right, well, so 16 people, which is what you just calculated, have 0 and 1. And that would mean that's fewer than 2. So fewer than 2. It did not say 2 or less. It said fewer than 2. So 0 and 1, 16 of them total, are fewer than 2, because then the next category is 2. Okay, so all right, hope that helps.